हाय नमस्कार, दिस इज शुभजीत हेयर। मैं पहली बार दुबई इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट का फ़्लाइट सिमुलेटर में बैठा हूँ। इसमें मुझे सीखने मिलेगा कि एक फ़्लाइट को कैसे टेक ऑफ करते हैं, लैंड करते हैं। एंड हमारे साथ हैं दिलदार जी। ही इज़ द सुपरवाइज़र एंड ही इज़ द बॉस हु इज़ गोइंग टू टीच मी। आई होप मुझे इसमें बहुत सीखने मिले एंड एक्साइटमेंट भी हो। एंड आपको इसलिए दिखा रहा हूँ ताकि आप भी इसको ज़रूर ट्राई करें। सर दिलदार जी, इट इज़ ऑल अप टू यू, प्लीज़ गाइड।
थैंक यू सर। सो कौन सी लैंग्वेज में ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल फील करेंगे सर?
इंग्लिश इज़ फाइन।
So we are holding on a runway 1 to left at Dubai International Airport over this place. We will do a takeoff on this airport. Doing and cruising part, we will do a preparation of a landing part, and then we will come back for landing at the same airport. Now, before we go for a takeoff, we will prepare the aircraft first for the takeoff. Starting with this part, that's known as the MCP or the mode control panel. Here you will put this button at the up position.
Okay.
So that will be taking care of your engine power, which is going to run on an automatic mode. Yeah, you will set a takeoff speed. At that particular speed, we will do a takeoff by turning this knob on a right, make it 154.
So that's the nautical miles.
Yes.
So 154 nautical miles.
Now coming towards the heading, that's known as the nose of the aircraft or the
Yeah.
direction of the aircraft. Now, as we see the nose direction at 120,
Yeah.
by turning it towards the right, make it 120.
Okay. This is the right.
Yes, sir.
And here we go. 120.
You will set the cruising altitude over here by turning it towards the right, make it 3,500 feet above the sea level.
3,500 feet.
Yes, sir.
So this will take us to that height automatically.
So you're going to gain that altitude by your own by pulling this yoke towards you. Now,
Okay.
coming down on an auto brake, this white line will go one step down on an RTU.
I should put it.
Yes, sir. Now that stands for the rejected takeoff. For example, you're gaining a speeds in the runway, an emergency occurs in an aircraft, or you want to abort the takeoff. So that system applies the brake automatically for us under that speed which we have kept over here.
Okay.
It sends the rejected takeoff. For example, you have been given the power over here. You see that any emergency occurred in an aircraft or any obstacle is coming in the middle of a takeoff. When we take the power back on our idle position where it's there right now, so it will sense that that's a rejected takeoff. So it will apply the brake first. But
Automatically.
under that speed which I have kept over here.
Okay.
If you have reached that speed, so you will have to do a takeoff.
Okay.
Now coming on this part, so that is known as a flap. These are the extension which comes under the wings that create a lift for the aircraft at this low speed. Now you will lift this up, bring it at the level 5 degrees.
And 5.
Now coming on this part, that is known as a yoke or the control column.
Control.
How you're going to use them is for going up, you will pull back towards you. Now for going down, you're going to push the yoke away from you. For turning left, you will turn this towards your left. And for turning right, you will turn this towards your right. So after making each and every correction, we need to bring the yoke in a center completely.
Okay.
Now
It does not come automatically.
No, so you need to bring it in completely in the center.
Okay.
Now here you need to release the parking brake by pushing it forward, push it inside. Yeah, tuck it in, perfect.
Okay.
Now keep your one hand in the center over here, that is known as the throttle which will be adding the powers in the aircraft.
Okay.
Now second hand goes over here. Now start giving the power slowly towards the forward.
And we are moving further.
Give the power till the end.
Full.
Yes, sir. And slightly turn the aircraft over here towards your right. Stop your right turn, stop your right turn, right, stop your right, center में, हल्का सा right turn. There's a right turn.
Oh no.
Just.
This is not going right.
वापस try.
Yeah.
सिर्फ हल्का सा करेक्शन करेंगे. ग्राउंड पर जितना ज़्यादा करेक्शन करेंगे उतना ज़्यादा करेक्शंस आपसे मांगेंगे.
अच्छा. This much.
That's not max. The max like this. This much, so that will not take the controls also.
Okay. So we'll start again.
Yes.
We're set to go.
Okay, give powers.
And this is on. I give the power. I have given full power.
Slightly left. Stop it left turn, come in a second, slightly right. Slightly right. Then center. Perfect. Slightly left. Slightly left. Slightly left. Come back in a center. Center. Now from here, little more left. Little more left. Little more left. Stop it left turn. Now from here, start a pull up, pull the yoke slowly towards you. Now here have to hold like this for 2 seconds, let it get climb well over here. Now first thing which we do after takeoff, you will release, you bring the organized center completely. And now here we will take the landing edge of the wheels of the aircraft. From down you are going to pull it out and take it at the up position completely. Come down to the down. Okay. Now you will set the cruising power by turning it towards the right, make it 240 knots, 240.
Now I increase the flight speed
Yes.
to 40 knots. Is it the top speed?
No sir, we can go up to the speed of 300 knots. But at
So-
the height what we are there, it's 240 is the maximum.
Wow,
That
I
we
can see the entire world.
Now here you will set the auto brakes by turning it towards the right, cruise at the off position. Now
No more auto brakes needed.
Yeah. Now
Yeah,
flaps by lifting up at the level 1 degrees initially. Now this light goes at the off position over here.
Runway off.
Yes. So
So-
after we come back for the landing, so this line will get on. Now we have a 2 displays over here. That same 2 displays you have on your side as well.
Okay.
Now coming on the first display at this part, that is known as the primary flight display. As you see on the left hand, that is known as a speed jet. So you can see that you are gaining up the power. Whatever current the power will be there, it will be shown in this black box. Okay, 184, 185. So what is gaining up? So that will be the power. Coming on the right, that is known as a altimeter type. So you can see that you are gaining up the altitude. Now
Okay.
whatever altitude you are going to see on this box, that will be your current altitude. It will be there in the feet above the sea level.
So automatically the plane will be there at that time.
We have kept the aircraft for a few seconds on autopilot to explain you the controls how to use the aircraft.
Okay.
Now coming in the center, that's known as an artificial horizon over here.
Okay.
That blue is known as a sky and brown is known as a ground at this part.
Okay.
Coming into this pink line are known as the FDs or the flight directors. So they will be directing your flight till the landing time. For example, if this horizontal pink lines are moving up, so you will be climbing up.
Okay.
Similarly, if this horizontal pink lines are going down, you will push you away from you, will go down. If this vertical pink line turns on the left, so you will turn the aircraft towards the left. If this vertical pink line turns on the right, you will turn the aircraft towards the right. Exactly going to maintain like this, like a plus shape. So wherever they cut each other, you have a black dot in the center to be maintained.
Okay.
As well as on a horizontal pink line, you have a 2 L's also which are there in the black colors over here. So these are the symbol of the aircraft wings. Any kind of confusion over here, sir?
No, nothing.
Now from here you'll be flying the aircraft completely on a manual, so catch you look from here. As I'm going to keep the heading on the right, you see that vertical pink line on your screen is also turning towards the right.
Yes.
Now from here I want you to turn the aircraft slowly turn towards your right.
So I just have to take it right.
Yes sir. Still you can go towards the right, turn right. Now here you can stop it here, come back in the center. Now as you see that horizontal lines are moving up, so you need to climb up over here. Pull you, once you climb up. Still you can climb up, pull you towards you, climb up. Come back in the center. Still you can turn little right, turn right. Now here you will stop it and come back in a center, slightly climb up over here, pull the yoke towards you, climb up, climb up. Still very quiet to climb up, pull the yoke towards you, climb up. Come back in a center, complete in a center. Slightly more towards your right, turn right, did it. Stop it right, turn, come back in a center, slightly climb up over here, pull the yoke towards you, climb up.
I'm at 35 or
Right now we are there at 24. So we need to go at 3500. Now come back in a center. After making each and every correction, you need to bring the organized center. Now still we see that vertical pink lines over here turning towards the left. So you will turn the aircraft from here towards the left. Sir. Turn here, so you will turn towards the left.
turning towards left.
Still towards the left. So still we see that vertical pink lines there on our left. So you will turn left as well as you can climb up over here. So you can do a 2 things together as well. Now here.
Okay.
Stop it right, left turn, come in the center. Still we can climb up over here. Stop it left turn, come in the center, climb up little. Keep you straight and climb up little. Very minor correction on your left. Left, left, right, sir, right, left, left. On your left hand, left. Come back in the center. Now you will climb up little, pull the yoke towards you, come back in the center. Come back in the center and turn towards your right little. Stop it right turn, come in the center, slightly left. Slightly left, left. A little more left. Now here you can stop your left turn, come in a center and slightly keep the yoke straight and pull the yoke towards you. Pull the yoke towards you. Then more towards you. Pull the yoke little more towards you. Okay. Now from here we will see some landmarks and then we will prepare the aircraft for the landing part as well. Now from here we will drop down the altitude little by turning up, bring it down at 2500 feet above the sea level. 2500. Now you have to press this command level change.
Level change.
That's a confirmation command that you need to drop down the altitude from 3500 to 2500. Now from here you will start descending down the aircraft slowly down. As well as I want you to take the power till here back.
Less power to 5. Okay.
Now here you need to go down and turn slightly left. Go down, push yoke away from you, go down and turn slightly left. Stop your left turn, go down. Keep your yoke straight over here and go down. Turn a little right. Stop your right turn, come in the center. Keep going down. Push the yoke away from you and go down. Come back in the center. Come back in the center. Now you will see some landmarks over here and then we will prepare the aircraft for the landing path. So slightly I want you to pull the yoke towards you.
I can see the
Come back in the center.
the tallest tower.
Yeah, the Burj Khalifa is there on our right. So then when we see on the left a D-shaped tower that's known as a Burj Al Arab, that's a 7-star hotel. Next to that we have a Palm Jumeirah Island. At the end of that we have a hotel Atlantis. Now from here we will prepare the aircraft for the landing path. So you will set the auto brakes by turning it towards the right, bring it at the level 2 position. Now here I'm going to give you a little more right heading, so you see a vertical ping lines one more time turns on our right.
Yeah.
So you will turn towards right as well as you will climb up over here, right and up. Stop your right turn, come in the center and slightly climb up over here. Still you require to climb up, pull the yoke towards you, climb up. Still you can climb up, sir. Stop your climb up, come in the center, slightly left.
Okay, it has to be at the box.
Yes, sir. Climb up, still we can climb up. Climb up and slightly left. Climb up and little left. Keep climbing up and little left. Turn left as well. Now we can bring the yoke in a center completely. So we are using the autopilot over here. When we keep the aircraft on autopilot, whatever corrections we make on this part, it won't take anything controls from my end or either from your side. Let's see how does the autopilot works exactly in a real life. So we will drop down the final altitude over here by turning the bring it down at 2000.
At 2000.
You will press this command level change over here. The power goes down by turning the bring it down at 220 knots, 220.
So the speed goes down to 220.
Now here we will set the minus rate of descent. At that rate of descent, your aircraft will start descending down at 2000. Initially for going down, we were supplying some powers.
Yeah.
Right now you can see that it's going automatically down.
Yeah.
Now here I want you to turn the heading on the right, turn it right and make it 359, 359.
359.
Now, as you can see that you have given the heading on the right, so your aircraft also turns itself automatically on the right.
Okay.
Now after a turn gets complete over here, you need to look out and you need to try to find out the airport.
Okay.
So let's try that we find the airport over here now. If we don't find the runway, then how you will land the aircraft? That's
No
also
idea.
a question. Now from here, any rough idea I'm asking, sir, where we can find the airport?
Towards the land.
So land is on the right hand
On
side.
the right hand side.
So as you told us somewhere on the land, so I'm giving it right heading. Let's see if we find the runway over here or not. Now we are going to use one instrument that is known as an ILS, that stands for the Instrument Landing System, which is fitted under the runway. So
Okay.
they'll be sending out the radio beams or radio signals to your aircraft. As an aircraft is going to capture that frequency, you will see that your aircraft will turn itself automatically
Okay.
towards the runway direction. Now you can see that the frequencies are given over here
Okay.
at 110.10. That same that frequency we have over here on a navigation panel at the standby mode.
Okay.
You will press this button transfer so that can activate it on activation part. Similarly here we will give the reference of the same numbers. Now here you will drop the more power by turning the bring it down at 190.
Okay.
Now you will lift up the flaps by lifting up, bring it at the level 2 degrees in each end. Now Now here this two lights goes at the on position because we are going for the landing. So 1 and 2 goes at the on position.
So the landing gear?
So landing lights. So landing is on here.
Okay.
Now here you will lift up the flaps, bring it at the level 5 degrees. Drop down the power by turning left at 180,
So
180.
slowly always.
Now here press this button DOR/LOC. So when you press that command, that same command gets displayed over here in this white color. As that's going to get activated into a green color.
Okay.
You will see that the aircraft will start turning itself automatically towards the runway direction. Now any rough idea where we find the airport from here? Where we rough
It
idea?
should be right.
Now here as you can see that it's got activated into a green color. It's giving you alignment somewhere on the right. So somewhere on the right we will find the airport after the turn gets complete. You will press this command approach EPP. There will be the approval for your landing path. You will set the final runway heading at 120, 120.
It is already heading to 120.
Right now we are going to 120. Right. When you turn right, it increases. So you're going to bring it at 120, 120.
Yeah.
Now from here, you will take the landing gears down, pull it out and take it completely down. Your flaps by lifting up, bring it at the level 15 degrees.
More
Straight
engine
down.
power?
We will reduce down the power. So you will turn it by turning left, bring it down at 170, 170.
Slowly.
Now by lifting up the flaps, bring it at the level 30 degrees. Now here you will set the final flaps, final landing speed for the landing, and that will be at 150, 150. Now, as we see in the straight in the front, there is a runway where we are going for the landing. path.
Yes.
We have two runways over here. One is there on our right, second is there on our left.
Yes.
So left hand side is our runway where we are going for the landing path. Now from here, I want you to catch the yoke over here.
Yeah.
Because from here, whatever corrections are required, that whole corrections need to be made by you by looking outside towards the runway direction. And I'm going to help you with this of the instruments over here.
Okay.
Try to make the correction as quick as possible and try to bring the opening center. As minor corrections you make, aircraft will ask you to make a minor correction.
Okay.
Okay, now catch the yoke from here because as you are flying on a manual, the aircraft goes on a manual over here. You will turn the aircraft slightly on your left. Left. You're turning right left. Stop your left turn, come in a center, slightly right. Slightly right. Stop your right turn, center. Perfect. Now you're going good. Now here I want you to keep the yoke straight and little go down and come in a center. Go down little, keep the yoke straight and go down little, come in a center and slightly turn left. Left. Stop your left turn, slightly right. Slightly right. Right. Stop your right turn, center. Little more right. Center. Slightly left. Left. Little more left. Little more left. Stop your left turn. Come in a center. Perfect. Little more left over here. Little more left. Come back in a center. Perfect. Back in a center. Now when I tell you to pull the yoke towards you, initially you're going to pull the yoke towards you and then you're going to push the yoke away from you. Now here I want you to turn slightly on your right. Stop your turn. Come in a center. Slightly on your left. With your left. Little more left. Come back in a center. Perfect. Now here with your one hand you will take the powers completely down from 0. Perfect. Now here slightly turn right and slightly pull the yoke towards you. Come in a center and slightly up, slightly up, climb up. Then the aircraft go down slowly. Try to maintain a white line which is there in the runway, in the center of the runway. Slightly left. Here you will turn slightly right, center, and slightly left. Little more left. You will pull out the parking brakes over here, pull it out. Set the flaps by lifting up, bring it at the level 0 position. You will set the auto brakes by turning left at the off position. So how was the experience?
Amazing. This is something I was totally thrilled and I was on board flying, and I'm sure everyone who is watching us, they should try this wherever you are, wherever you get time. And for you to know, I am at Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminal, Mumbai, and this is something great experience I had. Thank you again, sir, for giving me this privilege. Even the seat is so amazing. So I need to pull or just
Push it back from your body weight so it goes back.
Thank you again for being with us, and I hope you also enjoyed this real-time feel. Namaskar.
Thank you.